Hey guys, it's Ghislaine here. I'm going to walk you guys through this setup, a trade that I took earlier today. What I saw, and this goes as far to like prove the concept that I've been laying emphasis on my channel. If you watch my previous videos, I've been discussing this particular model and style of trading. Okay, so first off, right up on my pair right here, this is a 5 minute time frame. I'm an intraday trader or more like a scalper. I don't know, but I'll say intraday because my trades do last for a couple of minutes or maybe sometimes 1 hour or more or two. So, okay, this is the setup right here. Okay, this is the trade that I got. As you guys saw the screenshot of my screen that I just put. All right. So first off, what did I identify here? First, I identified this order block, this candle. I saw this candle right here, the green candle. All right. Let me zoom in some more. So step one, I saw this green candle, this candle right here. When I saw this candle and all of this pattern of, a fair value gap is a three candlestick pattern, which means it consists of three candles. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Right. So these three candles here already gave me my setup before anything else. Okay, beautiful. Now, step two, what did I identify again after that? After seeing my other block here. Normally, some people, you can just highlight this candle on its own, but I like to take all this one because that's where my stop loss is going to be, right? Beautiful. Now, the second thing that I saw or took note of is expansion, right? When you see your order block, there should be momentum following after that. Do not have an order block that resides in a very dull, in a very, very dull trend or a dull market. It should not be dull. It should not be too slow. It should be fast. It should be impactful. You should look at it and be like, okay, this is momentum, right? So these are my candles right here. 1, 2, 3. The third candle here is the most, is a lot of power, a lot of momentum, right? That was a very, very nice delivery here of price. Beautiful. So when I saw this now, and you're okay, cool. There should be an fair value gap here. Now, my prayer from here at this point is that I do not want any candle to trade into this other block. It to be taken out before the gap is filled. Beautiful. So after we saw this is structure right here, this is structure low, then price was cleared, right? Beautiful. Now after that, we anticipate price to push back into the zone and sell off, right? That's the rule of fair value gap. Beautiful. Now, what do you notice when you look at this? Let me show you guys. I notice liquidity build up, right? Liquidity is slowly building up right here. Let me zoom in some more. You guys can see liquidity building up here. You can see that price is trying to break here, but it's not. Then I'll pay attention and look at this gap, the gap I was talking about. This is the gap right here. Beautiful. I'm trying to get that line straight. So yeah, this is the fair value gap. This is the most important part of it. You can see how price just traded into that gap. Nothing else. It just traded into the gap, then collapsed with so much power. You feel me? So fair value gaps are really valuable and important when you trade them correctly in the right order. You feel me? First off, you identify the order block. Second, you identify this. Is there momentum? Check for momentum. Momentum, this kind of 1, 2. You want your fair value gap to be sitting just right there, right? So now we have a fair value gap, we have an order block, we have a break of structure, and plus on top of all of that, we have liquidity build up. Now, that's enough. Let me show you guys what the trade looks like. So, what I did was after identifying and doing all this analysis, I did this actually in under like 1 minute. I did all of this, right? So I'm just taking time to explain so you guys can follow along. Beautiful. So now I took my trade a little bit into the zone. I'm really greedy like that, So I took my trade a little bit into the zone and I just left like a few pips up here because sometimes the price just like to push up. So I left something like that, I think. Yeah. Then I aimed for, let me show you guys how I aimed or what I aimed for. I actually got out here. I got out here, right here where the market reversed. You can see price never got to this point again. It got here and I got out immediately. Then price reversed. All right. Now let me show you. So what I did was I went on the 30 minutes time frame. This is the 30 minutes time frame. Now, beautiful. Well, when you look at this, this is the trade right here. This is my setup. So when I was looking for where to aim, I saw a lot of options, a lot of opportunities, but the one that really stood out is this. Like I said, guys, value momentum a lot. Value impulse, right? Impulse is everything in this market. Sense all of this. This right here is the main thing. You feel me? Yeah. This price leg has a lot of volume, and this is what we want to target, right? Beautiful. Now, what are we targeting? We're targeting gaps. I am targeting gaps. Beautiful. So this is a gap right here. You guys can see this gap. Fair value gap right there. Beautiful. So what happened when price got here? it traded directly into this value gap and then disappeared. You can see that, right? This is it, my gap on the 30 minutes. This is what I targeted. Actually, I targeted then. I also saw another opportunity. I saw another target area here. I think I saw this on my MT4 on my MT5 platform. I don't think I did that here, but there was one gap along this area here. The thing is, the reason why I felt the type aiming right down here. First of all, that's greed in its highest form. Second of all, like I said, I value momentum a lot, and I looked at this price leg here. The momentum is not strong enough. When you look at this, you know that okay, this gap here will be filled. When you see price moves quick like this, you know, like it's just my thing. Just trade value, trade momentum. Okay, don't stress it out too much. Okay, guys, so that was it for this one. That was how the trade played out. Let me go back to the 5 minute. Okay, so yeah, this is it right here. My trade, my exit was right there. I'll show you guys my screenshots just right now. So you take a look at the screenshot. That is a trade, and it's a beautiful trade. So right now I'm actually looking at a trade on MT on another pair. So here, this is another trade on another pair, and I want price to this are my orders right here. I have 2 buy orders here. Yeah, so I just want price to tag me in and let's do it. So I'll post updates on this one on my Telegram. If you're not in my Telegram, check the description for links. Be sure to join. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, guys, this is the trade that I just showed you guys. This is it in progress. I came back moments after, and you can see that perfect entry right there. Perfect entry. Come on, you can never go wrong with this. What did I say in my last example? Right? You see the order block. You see momentum, right? I told you this middle candle here, this number 3 candle is very, very crucial. It should be heavy, right? So this is another one here. This is another setup, but this one I will not trade this. Why? Because the third candle here is soft, it's weak, it's not powerful. However, the fourth one was good, but this third one is the most crucial. Like I said, it should be strong, but it wasn't. That's why I did not trade it. So right here, you guys can see the gap here has been filled just now, and price is pushing up because why? It respects all the laws and everything that I preached to you guys in my previous example. So I'll go ahead and close this. It's 12 a.m. right now, so I need to go to bed. I'll just close this right now so that I can go to sleep. Oh, okay, let me do that. So I'll see you guys in my next one here. I'll post the screenshots, however, in my Telegram, so be sure to join. Just make sure you join. All right? Okay, see you guys.